now coming in as India's counter-strike continues. 24 airports have been shut with advisories being issued in Chandigarh, Amritsar, Ludhiana, and remember, these are some of the locations that Pakistan has targeted. So advisories have been issued to the residents, but telling them not to panic. These airports have been closed because of the threat perception from Pakistan and the attempts that have come in from Pakistan.
So ever since, as far as this strike is concerned, that was reported last evening, DGCA has been monitoring the flight operations across the country. Advisories by airlines that have also been given to the passengers to arrive early to the airports there. And when it comes to significant developments that have been taking place in the airspaces, at least 24 airports that have now reportedly shut, where advisories that have been issued, and mainly when it comes to areas which are the border areas that now we are looking at Chandigarh, Srinagar, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Bhatinda, Kishangarh, Patiala and Shimla and Bhatinda. These are all of the locations that we are told close to the border areas where airports have now been shut.
Right, so let's play out these visuals and show you the moment when these counter strikes took place. And remember, this is the response that has come in from India, and this is a video that has been released by the Indian Army talking about that moment when these locations had been hit. Now, look at the imagery here. It shows the precision with which India is striking and the attempts that are being made by Pakistan. Pakistan attempting to hit civilian infrastructure, and on the other hand, India that is targeting only the terrorist locations within Pakistan. So these videos that have been released show the moment of the attack taking place from the Pakistani side and how India has responded to the same. And these visuals have been released by the Indian Army. It has, in fact, over the last 24 to 48 hours been releasing the videos, the evidence of the strikes that it has been carrying out in Pakistan.
So this is Operation Sindoor. Pakistani Armed Forces, Captain Bansal, you can speak on this, sir. Launching multiple attacks using drones, other munitions along the entire western border on the intervening night of 8th and 9th May. Pakistani troops also resorted to numerous ceasefire violations along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. The army goes on to say that the drone attacks were efficiently and effectively repulsed, and befitting reply was given to the ceasefire violations. All nefarious designs will be responded effectively and with response. This is the response coming in from the Indian Army side. Captain Bansal. Well, sir, if you want to speak on this video that has just been released by the Indian Army.
Yes. The Indian Army video says that the kind of offensive which has been launched by Pakistan and how it has been negated by us or neutralized by us. So here we say that this is purely in self-defense, and Pakistan has unleashed on us, especially on the civilian population, the kind of attack which is actually disproportionate, and it was uncalled for because there are no terrorists here on which Pakistan Army is unleashing the terror. And especially I must mention the artillery, heavy artillery bombardment which is the Indian population living across along the LOC, which is subjected to by Pakistan.
Okay, all right. So precision strikes by the Indian side, that's what we're looking at. We are also seeing multiple meetings that are taking place today, and in the latest update, there are multiple airports as well that remain shut. So Amita, we're seeing these updates that are coming in just about an hour's time from now, more than an hour. In fact, at 10 a.m., we're expecting that briefing to come in, where the details of the entire operation, what has been described as an ongoing Operation Sindoor, will be given out.
And this is evident as far as what has been shared in this video of the impact, how Pakistani drones have been thwarted and they have been successfully shot down. This is now what is being shared by the Indian Army. The valor, the bravery of our Jawans continue. We get you more details back after a short break.